Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to capitalize first letters in Excel. Here, I have three names written in lowercase and mixed case. We will capitalize the first letter of each word using the proper function. In a new cell, type equals proper B3. Then press Enter. You will see that the first letter of each word is now capitalized. To apply this to the other names, drag the formula down from the bottom right corner of the cell. Now, if you change the original names in column B, the updated capitalized version will automatically reflect in the formula cells. Convert to text without formula. If you want the capitalized names without formulas, follow these steps. Select the corrected names and copy them. Now go to the Home tab, click on the Paste drop-down arrow, and select Paste Values. Now the names will remain as normal text, and the formulas will be removed. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.